Hi buddies, it's me, Titi. Today we are going to make apricot lemon popsicles. This is such a fun and easy recipe that comes together with only 4 ingredients. First things first, remember that Titi wants you to be extra safe. So make sure you always have a grown-up there with you to help out in the kitchen. Let's get started. Make sure you have a blender at hand as well as a popsicle mold. We're making 6 4-ounce popsicles today. The first ingredient that we're going to add to the blender is half a cup of orange juice. The next thing we're going to add is a 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice. Thirdly, let's take some apricots. Here I have 3 chopped up apricots. And lastly, 1 chopped up banana to give it some sweetness and creaminess. And now let's mix it up like we're making a smoothie. Awesome! We're all ready to pour our mixture into our mold. I love this bright orange color. Great job! Let's take our popsicle sticks and stick them into our mold. It's time to put our popsicles into the freezer to cool. This usually takes at least 5 hours in my experience. All right, our popsicles are nice and frozen, so let's see how they turned out. That's extra good! You can taste the tartness of the lemon combined with the sweetness of the apricots and a little bit of banana, which makes a really great combination. A little bit sour, a little bit sweet. What a great popsicle! Well, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I had a wonderful time making these lemon apricot popsicles, and I hope you'll give the recipe a try too. And feel free to experiment with your own fun fruit and juice combinations to make your own unique popsicles. I'll see you again soon, and happy creating!